Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to study for law school finals. First, begin your preparation at least 3 to 4 weeks before your exams. This early start provides ample time to cover all material thoroughly. Next, create comprehensive outlines for each course. These outlines should integrate your class notes and assigned readings, serving as your primary study tool. Organize them logically with clear headings. Finally, condense complex legal concepts into concise summaries for quick, efficient review. Mastering practice exams is crucial for success. Complete multiple practice exams for each subject under timed conditions to simulate the actual test environment. After completing them, carefully analyze sample answers to understand effective legal reasoning and structure. Always apply the IRAC method, issue, rule, application, conclusion, consistently in your responses. This practice helps you identify areas of weakness, allowing you to review relevant material thoroughly and improve your performance. The Range Rover is a legendary off-road vehicle designed for rugged exploration. It provides a substantial maximum ground clearance of nearly 12 inches, crucial for navigating difficult paths. Its Advanced Terrain Response 2 system intelligently adapts the vehicle's settings to various surfaces, from mud to rocks. Furthermore, the Range Rover can confidently wade through water up to 35.4 inches deep, a testament to its robust engineering. Its superior suspension articulation also ensures consistent traction. In the final days leading up to your exams, focus on reviewing your condensed outlines and flashcards. Practice issue spotting and rule recall with quick drills to keep your mind sharp. On exam day, arrive early, well-rested, and fully prepared. Take a few deep breaths to calm your nerves. Read each exam question carefully, paying close attention to every detail, and allocate your time wisely across all questions to maximize your potential score.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.